want to share with you some of the best products to promote as a beginner. And then you under community, and then you go down here and click on affiliate program. So in the Elegant Themes affiliate program, you will earn 50% commission on Divi memberships promoting Divi. When you first start out, like I said, you earn 30% recurring commission up to 1 year. And when you have sponsored sign-ups amount, you earn 30% recurring as well, and then additional bonuses when you have become even greater as sponsoring new members. When you have sponsored more than 200, when you have sponsored 200 or more sign-ups a month, you become an elite affiliate, and then there is custom commissions. So, and you can always contact support and ask if you can get a little more commissions paid out, but because many affiliates do that for a chance to earn more. And here's the benefits for all 3 levels. $80 welcome bonus opportunity, and you get, of course, affiliate resource center, 400 plus promotional assets, affiliate challenges with opportunities to earn more, and you get complete website audit and optimization recommendation, guest blogging opportunities, and you get contact with a dedicated affiliate manager, detailed performance and conversations reports, and co-branded blending page and other great assets. So that's my first recommendation. Let's check out my second recommendation for you is Elegant Themes. You can find it at elegantthemes.com/affiliates, or just go to the main domain elegantthemes.com and go to the bottom of the page and click on affiliates. So let's check out 50% commission on Divi memberships. And Divi is great page builder and funnel builder and so on. And you earn 50% commission on Divi cloud purchases when your customers decide to invest in the hosting. And then we have 15% commission in the Divi marketplace when your customers decide to buy something in this Divi marketplace. And you also, you don't just earn commissions one time with this affiliate program, you earn recurring commission forever. And so let's say that somebody buys an annual program membership, then you earn from that every year. Of course, you earn more often than that, depending on what membership they choose to go for. But anyway, so this is 2 of the best programs I have to share with you. But there are also platforms where you can research product to promote with a high payout percentage yourselves. If you're involved with the make money niche, then you might want to check out Warrior Plus at warriorplus.com, or if you're into promoting like software and stuff like that in the make money niche, then you might want to check out Yavisu at yavisu.com. If you're looking for a platform that has a lot of products to promote and within a ton of different niches, then you can check out Clickbank at clickbank.com. So there you have it. Those are my recommendations when it comes to the best products to promote as a beginner. Now, would you be interested to earn unlimited $100 commissions simply by copy and pasting ads on social media and free ad sites? Then click the link below. Thanks for watching this next one. Bye bye.